Hello everyone, welcome to Algozen. Today we are going to learn about loops and the different types of loops in Python. We will also look at some examples to understand how each one works. Okay, so what is loops? Loops are programming concept to repeat a block of code multiple times until a certain condition is met. Basically, loops are used to repeat a task multiple times, and there are three types of loops: for loop, while loop, and nested loop. What is for loop? For loop is used when we know how many times we want to repeat something. For loop is used when we know how many times we want to repeat something. I'll show you an example. For I in Los Angeles. Okay. For I in Los Angeles, print I. Here, Los Angeles is a string. A string is basically a collection of character. So the loop will take one character at a time, like L, O, S, and print the one character at a time. Okay, I show you. When I hit the run button, L, O, S, A, etc. Actually, I will store the current character and print I will print it. Okay. Then like another example. For I in range 5. Okay, and print I. So here it starts from 0 to 4. 5 is not included. Like when I run 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, whenever we give only one number to range, like range 5, it automatically starts from 0 and goes up to 4. So the output will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say if we want to give another number, 1, comma, it's 9. Print I. So it starts from 1 to 8. 9 is not included. When I hit run button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's take an example. If we want to print 1 to 13, but the difference is 3, then 2 minus 1 equal to 1, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. The difference is 1, right? If we want to, one difference is 3, then enter 3, 1, 13, 3. So hit the run button. 1, 4, 7, 10. Because first number is 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. But 13 is not included. The last number is 12. Go back to our document. Okay. Example for I in New York. So we print each character at a time. I mean each character at a time. Here N. Okay. So there is a mistake. Mm, that's not capital E. It's small e and not capital W. It's small w, and that's not capital O. It's small o, and all are good. Okay. And the second example for I in range 5 to 10. So it means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 because 10 is not included. The starting point is 5. Now go to example 3. For I in range 5, print I. Oh, there is a mistake. It's not start from what? It start from 0. 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Go to example 4. For I in range 5 to 10 and the difference is 2. So 5, starting number is 5. 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. And the last number is 9 because 10 is not included. So yeah, go to next slide. Oh, okay. So yeah, I'll show you. Go to our pie chart. Let's say L equal to 5, 10, 15, comma 32. Okay, this is not an array. In Python, array does not exist. It's list. We learn in the upcoming class. So if we want to print each character, from the list, or from this array or list, anything you want to say, but this is a list, not array. For I in L, print I. 5, 10, 15, and 32. Looping in a list. Okay. For I in price, 15, 30, 80. Correct. In example 6. Okay. If we want the sum of a list, then for I in L, and create another variable, total equal to 0. Total equal to total plus I. No, total is total. Then print total total format string. Okay. So 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 32, 62. It enter 62. Okay. Actually, here we want to calculate the total sum of all numbers in the list, right? We start by setting total equal to 0. Inside this loop, we write total equal to total plus I, which means we keep adding each number to the total. After the loop ends, the final value of total gets printed. So here the final value is 62. Okay. Example 6 is complete. Now, what is while loop? Basically, while loop is used when we want to repeat something until a condition becomes false, not true. That's a mistake. Okay. It's not true. It's false. Okay. Go to example 1. Okay. Let's say I equal to 2 while I less than equal to 5, print I. Then I equal to I plus 1. Okay. So run the code. 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I equal to 2, so it starts from 2. The first loop is 2. I equal less than 5. Yes, I equal to less than 5. So print I. To print. Here I is updated. I plus 1. Now I is 3. Is 3 less than 5? Yes. So print 3. Now I is updated again. Now I is 4. Is 4 less than 5? Yes, less than 5. So print I. 4 is printed. Then I is updated. Now I is 5. Is 5 less than 5? No. But equal to 5? Yes. Print I 5. Then I is updated. Now I is 6. Is 6 less than 5 or equal to 5? No. So loop is ended here. That's it. Very simple. Then like that. I less than equal to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to next slide, which is example 2. Oh, it's very easy. I show you. Basically it's a star pattern program. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so max is 6. I equal to 1. Okay, while I less than or equal to 6, or you can write if I less than 7, print star into I. Star into I. Okay, done. Then I equal to I plus 1. Okay, run the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because 7 is not included. This loop prints a pattern. Star into I means we print star equal to the value of I. So when I equal to 1, 1 star. Here I is updated. Now I is 2. So 2 start. When I is 3, 3 start. When I is 5, then 5 start. When I is 6, 6 start. Okay. If we want to reverse the code like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we want to print like 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then we can just need to do here I equal to 1, right? Just do I equal to 6, and if I greater than, or if I greater than 0, then if I greater than 0, then multiply with star, and I need to here minus 1. Okay, enter. Okay, here I equal to 6. Is 6 greater than 0? Yes, greater than 0. Then greater than 0. Then here 6. 6 into star. So 6 star. Now here I is updated. I minus 1. Then 5 star. Then 4 star. Then 3 star. Then 2 star. And so on until 1 star. Okay. The second example is done. Now, what is nested loop? Basically, nested loop means when a loop is inside a loop. It's called nested loop. Okay, I show you an example. Let's see. For I in a range 5, for j in range, let's say for j in range, if I in range 3 and j in range 5. Okay, and print I comma j, and it enter. Okay, sorry. For I in range 3. So in first loop, j in 5. So here I is 0, right? So 0, because I is 0. In first loop, I is 0. So I is 0 and range is 5. So 0, 0. Then j updated to 1, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. 5 is not included. Okay. So after that, the second loop start. Here I is updated to 1. So 1, then it's same 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This runs one time, but it runs 5 times. Because in first loop, I show you what we actually done. A nested loop, one loop inside another. The outer loop runs 2 times. Here outer loop runs 2 times. Sorry, here outer loops run 3 times. I equal to 0, I equal to 1, I equal to 2. For each value of I, the inner loop runs 5 times. Like is 3, right? 1, 2, 3. In first time when the first loop runs, it's 0, 0, 0, and this loop runs 5 times. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. It's very simple. Now I'll show you clear. Give me some time. Huh? Mm, mm, mm. Okay. This is 3, right? When it first time runs, then output is I is 0, right? But in J, in this loop, it runs 5 times. So 0, 0. I still is inside the loop. So next time it's 0. It's updated to 1. Then it's 0. It's updated to 2. Then it's still 0. And it's updated to 3. It's still 0. And it's updated to 4. 5 times is complete. Now go back to the first loop. Here updated to 1. So here is 1. Then come to this loop. Starting is 0. Then print. Then it's 1. And it's 1. Then it's 1. It's updated to 2. It's still 1. It's updated to 3. It's still 1. It's updated to 4. Like that in the next section. Okay. Now, okay. That's practice questions. Okay. Write a Python program to take a number n from the user and calculate the sum of first n natural numbers using a for loop. Okay. So we need to take a number from the user. Okay. Say n equal to int input, enter a number. Okay. What we need to do? Python program to take a number n from the user and calculate the sum of first n natural number. Natural number means start from 1 to n. Okay. Using for loop. So for I in range means starting from 1 to n plus 1. N plus 1 means if n equal to 5, then it's n plus 1 is 6. So 6 is not included up to a up to 5. For let's say we want the sum, right? Double m equal to 0, sum equal to sum plus I, print sum. Okay, hit enter. Enter number is, let's take an example, number is 5. So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 1, 15. So enter, it's 15. If we, and number is 45, it's a very big number, but number is 15, 120. Okay. So the next question, first question is done. Next question. Write a Python program to take a number from the user and print its multiplication table up to 10 using for loop. Oh, it's very easy. We need to take input, enter a number. Okay. We want the multiplication. So for I in range 1 to 11. Okay. Print formatted string n into I, n into I equal to n into I. Okay, done. Hit enter. Next, we want a table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. If we enter, we want table of 45. But we have 90, 135, 180, 125, so on. Okay, so go back to our document. Question 2 is done. Now, question number 3. Write a Python program to take an integer from the user and print its reverse using a while loop. Okay, also very easy. Okay, let's integer from the user and reverse it, right? So n equal to int input, enter a number, okay, of 4. Okay, use the while loop, right? Using a while loop. For while loop, take temporary equal to n while temporary greater than, wait, we want a reverse also, right? So reverse equal to 0, while temporary greater than, if temporary greater than 0, then a equal to temporary divided by 10, temporary divisible by 10, and not, reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus a. Now temporary equal to temporary divisible by 10, about slash 10. Now print reverse. Okay, done. Hit the enter. If we enter the number 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, I will explain the code. Okay, here n equal to int input, enter a number. We take the number from the user. Okay, temporary equal to n. Why you take temporary equal to n? I will tell you later. Here reverse equal to 0. We want to reverse the number. So reverse equal to 0. Okay, if we don't take temporary, or if you take while n greater than 0, and remove this. Okay, n greater than 0. Okay, n, and here also n. Okay, it show the same answer. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. But the problem is here n is updated every time. But when we print the in print section, like reverse of n is reverse, hit enter, like 1 2 3 4 5, reverse of of0, because here n is updated every time. So for this problem we need to use a temporary, we need to use temporary equal to n. So here we use temporary values. So here the temporary value is updated, not the actual n. So here temperature, temperature, temperature. Okay, now when I hit enter, 1 2 3 4 5, reverse of 1 2 3 4 5 equal to 5 4 3 2 1. At that time it's a reverse of 0 f0, because reverse of 0, because n equal to 0, every time n is updated, right? Okay, so here n equal to int input, enter. Here we said temporary equal to n, we want the reverse, so reverse equal to 0. Then we use while loop. While temporary, if temporary greater than 0, until temporary value, means the temp value is greater than 0, then here temp value, we take temp value is 1 2 3 3 4 5, which is obviously greater than 0. Then here a equal to temporary divisible by 10. Every time we divisible by 10 means, let's say number is 1 2 3 4 5. If we want to divide it by 10, like I show you, 1 2 okay, divisible by 10, right? 10, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so if you want to divisible by if you want to divide it by 10, then 10 ones are 10 if you want to 1 2 3 4 0, then 1 2 3 4 0. So the remainder will be 5. Okay, if the number is 125, then 125, then 10 multiply by 12, and the answer is 120. 125 minus 120 equal to 5. So every time we uh, the divisible by 10, then the last digit is comes out. And here reverse equal to reverse into 10. Your last digit is 5. So 5 into 10 plus a. So 5 into 10 equal to 50. So 5 equal, so the reverse equal to how much? Reverse equal to 0. So 0 into 10. So 0 into 10 equal to 0. 0 plus a, which is 5, the last digit. Here we updated the last digit. Here we updated the temporary value. Temp equal to temp double divisible by 10, which means the last digit comes out. And the new number is 1 2 3 4. The new number is means the new number is 1 2 3 4. Then we run the same process in same loop. Now number is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 is still greater than 0. So here 4 comes out and remainder is 4. Then if we want to divided that, if we want to here is reverse equal to 5, and 5 into 10, which is 50. So 50 plus 4, 54. So 4 is 8. Interval, we remove the last number, the 4. Now the new number is 123. 123 is still greater than 0. Same process, 3 comes out. Then 54 into 10, 540. 540 plus 3, 543. 543. Then the last number, then we remove the last number. Now the new number is 12. 12 is still greater than 10, 12 is still greater than 0. So doing the same process, here 2 comes out in reverse, 1 in reverse. 543 into 10, 5430 plus 2, 5432. So in temporary we remove the last digit. Now the new number is 11. Now the new number is 1. 1 is still greater than 0. So doing the same process, and the outcome is 54321. It's very simple. Okay, if you don't understand, just comment down. I will teach you again. You need to practice on your own, otherwise you don't understand what it actually does. Now question number 4. Write a Python program that takes an integer from the user and count how many digits it has using a while loop. It's very simple. Okay, we need to count, right? So say count equal to 0. There is no reverse. Count equal to 0, and we need to use it. We need temporary value. No, I don't think we need any temporary value. Or let's say temporary value equal to n. While temporary value is greater than 10, we don't need that. Control C, Control V, remove that. Here temporary, then count equal to count plus 1. Okay, done. Mm, Count of n. Okay, done. So the new number is here. So n equal to int input. Here we take the input from the user. Count equal to 0 and temporary unit temporary equal to n. We want to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just want to count how many digits in this number. 1, 2, 3. There's 5 digits like that. While temporary equal to greater than 0, temp equal to, let's take an example. If we want temp equal to, we need to give an integer, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit enter. Count of digit from this number is 6. Okay. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 4 is greater than 0. Yes, is greater than 0. If it's greater than 0, remove the last digit and count equal to count plus 1. Now count is 0. So 0 plus 1 equal to 0. Run the code again. Now the new number is 67895. It is still greater than 0. Yes, it's greater than 0. Remove the last line and count plus 1. Here count is 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Now count is true. Then next, then the new number is 6789. It's still greater than 0. Remove the last number and count equal to count plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Then the new number is 678. 678 is greater than 0. Yes, remove the last number and increase the count. Count equal to count plus 1. Now the new number is 67 is still greater than 0. Remove the last digit and increase the count by 1. Now the new number is, the count is 5 and new number is 6. So new number is 6. 6 is greater than 0. Yes, 6 is greater than 0. So remove the last number means the 6 and increase count by 1. So the count is 6. Now the new number is 0. 0 is greater than 0. No. So here loop is ended and then count equal to 6. Here count of n equal to count which is 6. If we don't use the temporary value, then n is updated here. Then if we want to print count of n means the output will like count of 0 equal to 6. That's why we use temporary. Okay. Question number 4 is done. Now, okay. So this was our complete chapter on loops. I explained every example line by line so that you understand how each loop works. Now it's your time. Make sure to try all the examples yourself. If you get stuck, then watch how I am solving it, understand the logic, and then try again on your own. Don't forget to subscribe to Algozen.